The throat plate is a removable piece of the saw table that allows you access to the blade. The throat plate is made of aluminum and has leveling screws and a lock knob. Common issues with the throat plate are damage caused by dropping it or from a bad kickback, or a broken locking cam. Replacing the throat plate is simple to do, but properly adjusting it can be a little more difficult. In this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. I'll begin by removing the upper portion of the guard from the saw. It releases with this lever and then just rotates out of the way. Now I can remove the old throat plate. It just simply locks in place with this knob. I'll turn the knob so it's unlocked and then pull the plate away from the saw. Now I can install the new throat plate. I'll make sure that it's unlocked, slide it around the blade, making sure it goes underneath the anti-kickback fingers. When I place it on the saw, more than likely, it's not going to be adjusted correctly. You'll notice it's sitting higher than the table surface, so anything I try to cut with the saw is going to snag on it. I need to adjust it using the adjustment screws. I'll use a screwdriver and turn each screw roughly the same amount until I have it approximately level with the table surface. Now I'm going to use a small square to check and make sure that it's level with the table surface. Here it's sitting just slightly below. Actually, this side looks really good. It's right in line with the rule on the square. This side also looks pretty good. This is just barely low, so I'll adjust the screw in a small amount. Here I'm fairly low, so I adjust the screw in, come back and check, make sure I'm not snagging anywhere. It's barely snagging there. So I'm adjusting the screw out. That looks better. Now I want to make sure that the insert is level. To do that, I'll go side to side and press down on the insert. If you hear it clicking, it's not level. Like that. Now I know that this side was slightly high when I adjusted that screw, so I'm going to start by adjusting the rear screw up. That's better. Just a little bit more. Now we know it's level. Make sure it's not going to snag anywhere. That looks good. Now I can lock the insert in place and it's ready to go. I'll finish up by reinstalling the upper portion of the guard.